Free web hosting. Have you ever wondered, what is free web hosting? Do you often wonder what kind of services free web hosting provide? Have you found yourself frequently thinking, if you have proper knowledge of professional and free web hosting? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about free web hosting. Now let's get into it. People say that the best things in life are free, and this could be quite true for many aspects of life. The basic necessities such as air, sunlight, among many other things are still accessible to people without bills or tag prices. But there are many great things in life that you really need to pay for in order to acquire. To get the best, you have to shell out some money. When it comes to web hosting, this may be true, because free web hosting services are great for a small site starting out. However, once a site gets busy and is growing, the free option is not really recommended, particularly for e-commerce websites. The reason why is because free web hosting companies usually cannot provide three important things: a good uptime guarantee, good support turnaround time, and quality customer service. You get what you pay for. Good and realistic uptime guarantee. A good web hosting service should be able to provide a realistic uptime guarantee. While most free web hosting services may indeed promise to keep your website throughout the year, they usually do not have enough resources to guarantee this. Free web hosting services are a bargain for a small hobby site, but are bound to be subject to glitches and technical problems, and you cannot really complain as much, since you are not paying for their service anyway. The service is free, and ranting does not make much of a difference, unlike for paid companies who see you as a customer that should be king or queen rather than just a free member. Of course, paid web hosting services may also be subject to some technical glitches. They do get downtime sometimes, but since they have more resources to deal with problems, they can guarantee a better downtime than free services. Plus, since you are paying, you can demand customer service. Realistically, paid web hosting services may not be able to guarantee 100% downtime, but they can guarantee up to 99.9% downtime, which is pretty good compared to how much free services can promise. Because of this, free web hosting services are not really recommended, especially for business websites that require their sites to be up and running at all times, or at least 99% of the time. Good support turnaround time. Another important thing that a web hosting service should make available for their clients is a good support turnaround time. Web hosting services should be able to respond to your inquiries as fast as possible. If you encounter problems like downtime and send an inquiry or request to your web host, you need them to respond immediately, or else your website and your business might be compromised. You might not be able to expect this from free services. You didn't pay, so why should they jump when you say so? At the most, you can expect them to have only web-based or email inquiry aside from a preset troubleshooting fact page. While these could suffice for minor problems, they may not work for dire situations where you need immediate action. Only paid companies could guarantee good support turnaround time, because they are the only ones who can usually afford to hire support staff to work around the clock. Most paid web hosting companies have 24-hour support teams that could help you practically anytime, unlike free services, who probably only have voluntary teams that work from time to time. Quality customer service. The above is very much connected to the quality of support service. You should be able to obtain a high quality of customer service from your web host. Not only should they be able to respond to you fast when you have problems, they should also be able to provide you with useful answers that can actually fix your dilemmas. Free services usually do not have customer service personnel who are specifically trained to troubleshoot problems. Again, they might just have volunteers who provide services when they can, but they most likely do not work in an established customer service system that paid services implement. But hey, free price is right. Paid services actually hire and train people to work on customer service specifically. They are bound to be ready to help you when you have problems, and they are highly skilled to give practical and effective solutions to most, if not all, of the glitches you might encounter. Professional or free web hosting? Both free and professional web hosting have their benefits and downsides. However, before the best type of web solution can be found, the webmaster will need to consider the main motivator for the website. For those looking for a homepage, hobby site, or non-profit website, a free hosting service will provide the basics of what is needed at just the right price. Free. Although a free website will not provide a professional scene for a business or a webmaster looking for credibility, as unfortunately free services look very cheap, then little else can be expected from something that costs nothing. A free website will offer webmasters free templates for the design of the website and helpful wizards that take the webmaster step by step through the uploading process. Often a free service may offer free domain names and email facilities with their package. Customer service is often included, although how good the service is will often vary. The biggest problem with a free service is the amount of traffic onto the site may be limited, and the sizes of the files being transported may also be limited. Free hosting companies often experience a lot of downtime, so they can at times be unreliable. Because the site is free, the hosting company may very well be relying on sponsors in the way of banner ads to keep the company in business. If this is the case, setting up a business with flashing banners will really cramp your style, credibility, and scare away potential customers. Paid services are used by webmasters to keep things running smoothly in business. What this means is the good web hosting companies will provide excellent customer service and have plenty of happy customers who are willing to add their testimonies. Professional companies will usually offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, live chats, and telephone services for customers experiencing difficulties. Many professional companies will also offer discounts and bonuses for your business and reward you for paying early. Other things that a professional web hosting company will offer is ample web space and disk space. Often large amounts of uptime will be guaranteed, and sometimes failure to keep this amount of uptime will result in compensation from company to their clients. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.